Hey guys, it is Saturday morning. Well, good afternoon. I'm making a brunch. I have brioche, chocolate chip, bread, sausage links. I'm dicing up some potatoes and onion, French toast, and sausage patties for my baby girl. So, yeah, I've been feeling bad, y'all, but I feel a little bit better. I took me a hot shower, so I am doing a late breakfast. Alright guys, to make me a plate. I still got some of my Happy New Year plates, and napkins, so alright. I got some eggs, one French toast, two links, one patty, and some taters. These potatoes are. Subscribe, hit that notification. I would appreciate it. Thanks again, and bye. Alright, people. I've taken all my Christmas items down. I got my containers up here. I'm praying that it is enough. But yeah, we are going to take the tree down, all the rest of the ornaments in the living room. I've already taken, well, tried to, because it's cold. I did some of the inflatables outside. I'm going to take everything down, sort it, put it nice and neat. I got my tree bag for my tree, my garland, and yeah, my tree and my garland. So yeah, I need to get like this garland. I flipping love that garland. I need to get about 6 more of these, 5 or 6, because that is just one. Yeah, and yeah, I wanted garland up there, but I didn't have enough, and I wasn't paying a lot for it. So yeah, this is the living room my mama houses. Take those out, wrap them up real good. I want those like in a tote by themselves with cushion at the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do first. My mama houses. Then I'll take all the ornaments out, sit my bags down, and yeah, all my ornament bags, my totes, and my tree bag. Let's pray this enough, because I did buy more stuff this year. It wasn't a lot, but yeah. And right now I'm making me some fries. Cooking me some fries. But yeah, I got all this stuff to put up. All this on the table, all that stuff still in there. All those houses. I took my shower curtain down and my stuff out of the bathroom. And I got all my trees. I'm gonna put all my trees together. My garland. these trees, all the trees are going together. And then I'm going to separate my ornaments and do them correctly, off color coordinated. And my hooks. Yeah. It's going to be back to normal, guys. I miss Christmas already. I miss the holidays already. But it is time for new beginnings. It is time for new beginnings, guys. New beginnings. Oh my God. And I'm so excited for it. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Cook them fries, y'all. They put all the pale ones down so they can get brown. Alright guys, good morning, good morning. It is 10:59 a.m. Wednesday. Let's get a little light in here. Make it a little bright. So my tree is down, ornaments are in. Look at the cat. I got my tree bag. I'm about to put my tree in here. I got my wreaths in here. My garland, my picks. Two wreaths, my garland, and my picks. And now I'm about to put my tree in there. So I got everything clean, dusted, and positioned where I want it to go. I am about to start decorating, and yeah, gonna get it nice and decorated with those items as well as these over here. So I want to get it nice and clean together, and then I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies, I think, or some peanut butter cookies, maybe both. I'm not sure. So this is it. This is how it looks. I am about to wipe everything, all my whatnots and items down. My tables are all washed. as well as the kitchen. It looks so good. I got my little fireplace over here going. My roses on that pedestal. All the Christmas decor is gone. And my stand is done. Looking so good. The cushion, the pillows, and the throws in the basket. Little table I had over there. I put it right here. Some vases down there. Over here, nice and simple. The kitchen. I love how it turned out. To know. Alright guys, that is it.